Work in progress. It's been about roughly an hour. So I've moved stuff. Filling this up with all kinds of stuff that was on that old shelf. Threw a bunch of stuff away. Moving stuff. I moved this from over here. And this will be a platform for the cats to lay on, which they like, right by the window here. And put the little kitty litter. And there's Cece staying out of the way. And I'm going to assemble these shelving units all along this wall. So my back is hurting, but it's getting done. Then I'm going to clean all this up and vacuum and everything. But so far, this is what we got. Alright, still working on it.